In this episode of the 5 Best Pro Wheel cover the top 5 best fire pits that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Amazon Basics 26-inch Portable Folding Fire Pit. Setting up a fire pit sometimes require more than just the tools, but also time and effort. It sometimes may take a while before you put everything together in one piece. But if you don't want that much of a hassle, the Amazon Basics Portable Fire Pit does not need any tools to set it up. It boasts the sturdy folding legs that you can just fold up whenever you need to keep it away or set it up for a cozy campfire. This wood-burning fire pit has dual grates that you can use as a fire pit or for cooking. You can choose between the log grate and the cooking grate whether you're setting up a fire for cooking or just a mesmerizing flame to keep you warm and relaxed. The dome-shaped fire screen gives you a better and enjoyable view of the fire while keeping all the unruly sparks contained and away from the users. And if you want to keep it away or take it to someplace else, the carrying bag makes the transporting and storage much easier. At number 4. Landman USA Bromley Fire Pit. Landman USA Bromley Fire Pit saves you more time in assembly and cleaning. If you're looking for a fire pit that is easy to clean and set up, the Landman Portable Fire Pit must be the one for you. You might also notice its decorative cutout that embellished the fire pit with simplicity and elegance. This portable fire pit can sit outside your patio or backyard out for a cold night. But if you want to bring it with you on a camp night with friends and family, you'll surely do. The size is just right, and because it's lightweight, it is much easier to carry wherever you want to. Aside from the striking design, this fire pit holds a perfect amount of wood that ensures to keep the fire burning. It won't die on you in a short time. The legs are sturdy and stable enough to provide excellent support. And to protect you and your friends from the ember, it includes a durable fire screen. At number 3. Outland Fireball 870 Premium Portable Propane Gas Fire Pit. Which is the best portable fire pit on our list? You might already know, but we've got one from Outland. Compared to all the other portable fire pits that you've seen, the Firebowl 870 Premium Fire Pit is the most portable, lightweight, and compact. Travel-friendly, indeed. You can take it on your next trip, whenever, or wherever you want to. Stay warm all the time. As most users love about Outland, the dial knob makes it much easier to adjust the lighting and flame. You can turn the flame up and down according to the way you want it. The auto ignition feature provides a simple and quick startup so that you can light a fire in a minute or two. Checking the overall quality, you could see how durable it is with the steel material. The burner, the fasteners, and the decorative belt are all built to last long and look impeccably chic and classic. If you want to put it away for storage or to bring together with your luggage, a carry bag is included. At number 2. Landman 26364 23-1/2 inch Savannah Garden Light Fire Pit. Turn the heat up with Landman's Savannah Garden Fire Pit anywhere you go. With its compact and lightweight feature, you can light up a cozy fire whether you're camping or just right outside your house. The steel construction doubles the quality to ensure a durable portable fire pit that you can use for a long time. It won't take so much of your time to assemble it. It is easy to set up and put away for storage as well. And to keep you safe from the embers or sparks, a fire screen is included. The poker would also allow you to fix the wood or charcoal in the fire pit to keep the fire burning. Aside from its stunning features and overall quality, the cutouts make it more elegant and stylish. It also gives off a significant light effect at night. Finally at number 1. Outland Fireball 823 Portable Propane Gas Fire Pit. Isn't it nice to stay warm outdoors despite the chilly night? It definitely is. All you need is the perfect fire pit. And if you still can't find one, the Outland Fireball Propane Gas Fire Pit might be the one you're looking for. Fueled by propane, you can get a clean and smokeless fire that won't leave an awful smoky smell on your clothes and in your hair. Just like most Outland fire pits, this propane-fueled portable fire pit is designed with a chrome knob for a comfortable dial. The Outland Fireball 823 allows you to adjust the heat up to the optimal temperature and turn the flame up and down according to your preference. It is lightweight and very portable so that you can take it anywhere you want to go. It also comes with a decorative rock set, a propane tank stabilizer ring, and a hose with a regulator to help you light a fire in no time. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.